Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. My name is Tarun Agarwal, and welcome to day number 5 of this 5 days live workshop on world's best digital tools. So, on this YouTube channel, Technical Tarun, um, the main idea of creating this new channel, though my main channel is Tarun Agarwal, where I upload videos related to my main business, that is network marketing and also affiliate marketing. So, but apart from that, because I am building my business online and I use some digital tools, and I'm really very fond of using some digital tools. So, I have gained some good amount of knowledge, and I thought that. It is good to share more knowledge about the tools, because the thing is, on internet many people are sharing knowledge about business strategies, business processes, but I found that there are very less uh, channels, okay, or videos related to tools knowledge, okay. So, and many coaches, consultants, network marketers, affiliate marketers, they know their product, they know their service and their business, but one area where they all lack is the understanding of using the tools, okay. So, if you have this understanding or knowledge about how to use these digital tools, this actually helps you to live a lifestyle of freedom, and use the uh, use these smart tools so that you can actually leverage the power of internet, okay. And you know what are the benefits of automation, all those things, right? So that's my main agenda, that's my main reason why I have started this new YouTube channel. So, and thank you all for giving so much love and affection for this, okay. Yes, I welcome all the people who are attending this live. Kusum is here, good morning. Shaina is here, Apuju is here, good morning. Mahendra is here, Omkar is here. They are watching me live. Great, nice. So let's get started. Okay, this is day number 5, and just check out my this YouTube channel, Technical Turan, and you can find the earlier four sessions which we have done related to uh, tools like ConvertKit, how to create good quality landing pages, email marketing and email automation. Then we discuss about how to go live everywhere without being live, okay, using this powerful tool StreamYard. Then we discuss about uh, how to do webinar automation, okay. So webinar automation tool we discussed, and then we discussed how to edit videos using AI tool v.io. So these topics which we have already covered, but now today I'm going to cover a very interesting topic. That's the last day of this 5 days workshop, and today I'm going to cover the all-in-one business online business management tool, that is Kajabi, okay. And Kajabi is one of the one of the best tool, one of my favorite tool, okay. So let's get started. Everyone, just type "let's go." And yes, very good morning. Even if you're watching this as a recording, you can interact with me using comment box, and I will reply to your comments definitely, okay. So let's get started with what is Kajabi, okay. So I'm opening an incognito window. Let's see this, okay. So first of all, okay, Kajabi tool, when I give you the demo, before that let me share with you, if you want to create a free account, you can try Kajabi for free for 30 days by going to this link, okay, dnaclub.in/Kajabi, and I'm giving this clickable link in the video description as well. So using this link you can create a free account. If you directly go to Kajabi website, and if you enroll for free trial, you will get only 14 days, 14 days trial. But using my link, you are going to get 30 days trial. That's a gift from my side, okay. So let's check out this link, dnaclub.in/Kajabi, okay. So that's the link using which you can avail 30 days free trial. So when you open this link, okay, when you open this link, you can click here on claim 30 days trial, enter your name, last name and email ID, and then continue, and then just enter your credit card information, okay. So if you're from India, Mastercard or Visa card will work. International payment option should be enabled, and it will not charge you anything, but after 30 days it will start charging based on the plan which you want to continue with, okay. So let's first understand the Kajabi website, okay. So what is Kajabi tool? Okay, and then we will talk about the pricing and what all different tools. I have also prepared a mind map where what all different tools I have replaced because I'm using Kajabi. Okay, Kajabi has replaced these 7 tools for me. So it is really very very affordable tool. If you use multiple tools, okay, to build your business, um, so you have to integrate those tools, and then it is going to be more expensive. Okay, but if you use Kajabi, it is much more affordable, much more cheaper than that. Okay, at the same time, world class quality. Okay, so yeah, so Kajabi is LMS. Kajabi is online coaching program tool. It is a replacement of ClickFunnels. It is a replacement of email marketing tools like Mailchimp or ConvertKit. Okay, it is a replacement of Buzzsprout. Okay, you can actually upload a podcast and it will be automatically pushed to different podcast channels. Okay, it through Kajabi you can create your own blog. Okay, through Kajabi you can actually create your own website. Okay, and also Kajabi has recently introduced AI enabled, okay, AI based tools for creators. Okay, by just clicking on one click you can actually create the course outline. On just one click you can create lesson content. Okay, then landing page copy. So all these AI tools are also enabled recently. They have introduced it. So this makes really our life very very easy. Okay, let's go ahead. Kajabi makes it so easy for you to create. You can create unlimited landing pages. You can actually manage your entire CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, it is a built-in CRM. Okay, and you can also accept payment through PayPal and Stripe. Okay, integration is there. So you can see some testimonies. Okay, you can see Kajabi blog, university. Okay, free guides. Okay, and then you can start with 14 days trial, but using my link you can start with 30 days trial. Clear? Is this clear? So you can check out Kajabi website like this. Okay, now if we talk about the pricing, let's go to the pricing. Okay, so basically there are 3 plans, right? So this is monthly plan, and you can also switch this into annual plan as well. So this is annual and this is monthly. So if we talk about monthly plan, you can see basic plan starts with $149 per month. Okay, so when I say $149, so 149 USD in INR, let's see how much it is. It is 12,200, approx 12,000 rupees. So this is approx 12,000 rupees. Second is growth plan, and this is $199 per month. So I am basically into growth plan right now, $199 per month. So what are the difference between these two? In basic plan you get 3 products. You can upload 3 products. Like say for example you are a coach or consultant and you have 3 levels of program, like gold, like silver, gold and platinum, diamond, like this. So you can create 3 levels of programs, and there you can upload multiple modules, and under those modules you can have multiple lessons. So this way you can take it. Then funnels. So though you can create unlimited funnels by creating unlimited landing pages and thank you pages, but there are some ready to use funnels and you can create 3. And earlier in Kajabi we used to call these funnels pipelines. Okay, but now they have renamed it from pipelines. It is now called funnels. Okay, you can create unlimited landing pages. You can you can send unlimited marketing emails. Okay, maximum 10,000 contacts can be there in the basic plan, and with 1,000 active customers, which means students. Okay, 1,000 students to whom you can give your course access. One website, one admin user, no affiliate program, no chat and all this, right? And there is no ability for you to remove the Kajabi branding as well from your page, because when you create a landing page in basic plan, in the footer, okay, you will find there will be a branding for Kajabi. Okay, you cannot remove it in basic plan, but in growth plan, this is the plan which I recommend to all of you. In growth plan, let's understand how much it is. 110 USD in INR is approx 16,300. Okay, so I am basically using this plan, 16,300 rupees per month. And the good thing is you get 15 products. Instead of 3 you get 15. Instead of 3 funnels you get 15 funnels. Again I repeat, you can create unlimited landing pages and thank you pages. I have created so many. I think approx 200 or 300 funnels. Okay, but these when on this page when you see 15 funnels, it simply means ready to use funnels. Okay, ready to use, but you can create from scratch also manually. Okay, for manual funnel creation there is no limit. Okay, contacts, instead of 10,000 you get 25,000. Active customers, instead of 1,000 you get 10,000 customers. So I am actually using this particular plan, and 10 admin users can be there, one website, and also affiliate program. I can create an affiliate program for my products. Okay, 24/7 chat support, advanced automation is also available, and I can actually remove Kajabi branding from the footer of my page. Okay, so I recommend this growth plan, but yes, you can start by using my link. Just start with 30 days free trial, and then later on you can decide which plan you want to go ahead with. Okay, clear? So just type clear if things are clear so far to all of you. Okay, just type clear. Everyone, just type clear if this is clear so far to all of you. Okay. Okay. Next. So let's go it. Let's understand further. So I hope you understand what is Kajabi tool. Okay, and its pricing. And now let's understand what are the different tools I have replaced because I'm using Kajabi now. Okay, so let's understand these are the tools which I have actually replaced. So number one, okay, let's understand this website hosting, because I'm now paying Kajabi monthly in a monthly plan $199 per month. I don't have to invest money on any website hosting services like WPX, which is approx $24 per month. I'm saving money in that. Email automation, email marketing software like ConvertKit. If I have 10,000 email list, uh, okay, so I have to pay approx $80 to $100 to ConvertKit. Okay, but I can save 79 or $80 to $100 here as well. Automated webinars. So though I'm using Ever Webinar as well, but many automated webinars you can do directly from Kajabi itself. Okay, like say for an example, let me show you. There is one of my webinar, dnaclub.in/silver. So this is basically an automated webinar, but without any chats. Okay, you can see this is a page where this is the hook of the webinar, and then you can see there is a webinar video actually. And in this webinar video, you can see the person cannot fast forward or backward it, and even the person cannot see the length of the video. Okay, if I switch it to the full screen, I cannot see the total play bar. Okay, play bar is not visible. So a person who opens this webinar has to watch this webinar from beginning to the end. Okay, to understand it. So automated webinar can also be done using Kajabi. LMS. So you can save actually more than $100 per month on Teachable. Okay, so Teachable is widely used LMS, but again, in Kajabi you are getting many other features along with the basic features of Teachable. Then tool integration. Okay, again, if you're using multiple tools, then you have to integrate those tools as well. So you have to pay to Zapier as well, but no requirement for this if you're using Kajabi. Funnels. There's no need to use ClickFunnels. You can save approx $100 in ClickFunnels. And also podcast. So if you have a podcast and you continuously upload audio files and want to push it to Apple Podcast, Spotify, there is no need to use Buzzsprout. Okay, you can actually use Kajabi podcast, and you can save money in that. So total money saved is approx $400 per month. Okay, which means if you use all these different tools together, there are many other tools like ClickMagic, and there are many other tools, but if you use Kajabi, you can actually save 25,000 rupees, 25 to 30,000 rupees per month, and you can just pay 16,000 rupees, $199. That's it. Okay, but here you have to pay around $400. So it is much more. When using multiple tools together, it is technical. It is too complex as well. But if you're using one tool, one login, so it is easier to use, and at the same time much more affordable rather than other tools. Okay, it is clear. So this is how I am seeing Kajabi. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's understand another thing, that is how to use Kajabi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the user interface of Kajabi. Okay, so next what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in to Kajabi using my own admin panel. Okay, so if I go to Kajabi, so I have bookmarked some of the pages. So let's directly go to, say example, let's go to landing page. So once you log into Kajabi using your link, using your ID, once you create a free account, so let's see the user interface of Kajabi. Okay, so you can see the user interface on left hand side. You can see some of the options, and on the right hand and here on the right hand side you can see the once you click on particular page, so this page will appear on the right hand side. So this is dashboard. So if I go to products, if I go to website, let's go to website. Okay, so from here, the good thing about Kajabi is Kajabi gives us some ready to use templates for the website. Okay, so if I click here on the templates store, these are the ready to use website templates. Okay, these templates, these are some legacy templates, older websites, and these are some new website templates. Now, say for example, I click here, I can actually see this. This is the entire website created, and next what I can do, I can just update the text and the photo. Okay, simple. Similarly, this is another. If you're into make money niche, this is another template which you can use. Photo with the text, okay, and then call to action button, then three sections like this, okay, photo and text like this. Okay, so if I use a particular template, okay, now say for example, how it is very easy to create a website in or edit a website in Kajabi. Like say for an example, if I choose a template, this particular template, okay, if I click here on customize, okay, let's see how to customize a website in Kajabi. So if I click on customize a website, this is an existing template. What I can do, I can click here and I can just start typing and I can actually make changes on this screen. Okay, I can make changes on this button as well. Okay, like what is the text of the button and where you want a person to go after button click. So all these things can be done in the from the left hand side. So I'm not going deep into it, but just sharing with you the options of how to edit a website. Okay, suppose if I want to edit this particular text or the any of these things, so just click on that and then accordingly you can just change the text from here. Okay, clear? Where would you like to start? Okay, get started. Okay, so just click on this and you can update the text from here, right? So all these things, like I have updated these some photos. Okay, then if you want to change this photo, click here and you can click on a new select a new file, and then you can actually upload any files here. Okay, and also here you can change this text. Okay, so which means the entire website can be edited like this. Clear? I'm not going deep into it. Okay, just sharing with you how the website editing options look. Okay, let's click on leave. So which means everything is ready made. You just have to think about your own business and accordingly make changes on the website. Okay, now how to integrate the domain? So for that, go to settings. So when you create a free account, once you create a new account in Kajabi, so you get a uh, domain like www.yourwebsite.kajabi.com. Okay, but if you want to integrate your own domain, so you can buy the domain from GoDaddy.com or namespace or other places. So what I've done is I have purchased this domain dnaclub.in slash dnaclub.in. This domain I purchased from GoDaddy, and then I have integrated that domain, okay, by going to settings. So from here you can actually integrate the domain. And how to integrate the domain? It is very simple. I mean, you will just get all the instructions within Kajabi itself. Okay, what settings you have to make changes, what changes you have to do in GoDaddy settings, all these things will be very simply, I mean, you will get all the instructions from this page itself. Okay, so once your domain is integrated, now whatever website edited by you, okay, the same will appear live. Okay, so you can mark a particular website as live. Okay, so if I click here, set it to live template, so my dnaclub.in, it will show this particular website. Okay, got it? So this is how you can edit a website on Kajabi. Clear? Next, let's go to pages. Okay, so as I told you, you can create unlimited landing pages. So if I click on landing, okay, so you can see I have till now I've created 568 landing pages. Okay, so suppose if I want to create a new landing page, opt-in page, so what I will do, I will click on new landing page from here, and again you can see there are some templates which are available here. Okay, sales page template, okay, and sales copy already written here. You can see there's so many good quality landing pages available. Okay, and then if I go down, link in bio, you can use it as Instagram bio link. Thank you page templates. Okay, so you can choose any of these templates and accordingly edit the page. Okay, if I click on this, you can see this is a sales page template, struggling to make your money work for you. So this can be the hook of the or title of the page, hook. Okay, then you can insert your own video, then you can change this text and photo, text to text, and what you will get, and all these things. Okay, and with a timer and then payment plan. So it is a typical sales page with a timer and payment plan with money back guarantee and also some FAQs. So this template can be used to create a sales page using Kajabi. Okay, so these are ready to use sales pages which can be used directly in Kajabi. So one is creating a website, then is to create a landing page. I have created so many landing pages like this, you can see. Okay, so there are multiple landing pages available here, and right. So what I have done is, especially in my business, network marketing. So what I've done is I have actually created multiple funnels for my team members. Okay, like say for example, here is one of the funnel like dnaclub.in/tlf. This is my funnel. So on my YouTube video, if anybody wants to know about what business I'm doing, so I actually give this link to my prospect. Okay, so I'm into network marketing business, so that's a link which I give to the other person, and if anybody opts using this link, then it will directly take that person to my webinar. Okay, similarly what I've done is I have cloned. Okay, you can see TLF 130, TLF 131, TLF 129. So whenever a new team member joins my team, what I do, I just create a clone. I just duplicate this page, and then every page looks like this. Okay, so if I open dnaclub.in/TLF 129, page looks exactly the same, but in the backend, this particular URL is actually assigned to a particular team member. Okay, so if anybody opts using this particular link dnaclub.in/tlf129, so in forms, okay, just showing you in Kajabi, there is one page which I've created, and then I have associated a form with the page. Okay, you can see tlf129. If I open this, you can see here when anybody opts to this particular funnel, email is automatically sent to this team member. Okay, this is one of my team member, my downline in my network marketing business. Automatically email is sent to this team member. Okay, and this is single opt-in, and we are asking for name, email ID, WhatsApp number. You can see. Okay, and because um, I want every prospect, okay, every person who opts, I want to track, okay, through which funnel this person has opted in. So I can track it easily because I have now created funnels for every team member separately by cloning or by duplicating the funnel. Okay, so this way I track the source of opt-in of a particular prospect. Okay, so this way I've created multiple funnels by creating a landing page, then redirecting the person to my WhatsApp group, and also sending an email. You can see there is an email sequence which I've assigned to this particular opt-in page, and if anybody opts, immediately that person starts receiving email to access the webinar. Okay, and then for next 5 to 6 days, we actually do email follow-up. Okay, automatic email follow by sending email automation, triggering this automation through emails. Okay, is this clear? So I can understand that it may look little technical to some of you, but those who have already used tools like Teachables, ClickFunnels, and other tools, so I hope this will look little familiar to all of you. Okay, got it. So this is all about the website and also landing pages. Okay. Now apart from that, there is also option for blog. Okay, you can also create your blogs. I have written some blogs, but not frequently, but just few blogs you can see here. So if you go to dnaclub.in/blog, okay, so you can see this is my blog page, and I can edit all these blocks. Okay, the user interface, all these things, by going to this blog section. Okay, if I go to settings, I can actually make changes about how how this blog page looks, blog settings. Okay, clear? So you can create your own blog as well using Kajabi. Now let's go ahead, let's understand the LMS part. Okay, learning management system, which means you can actually upload your digital product, okay, in a form of a course. Okay, and also if I talk about the tools, recently Kajabi has also introduced Kajabi communities. Okay, so let's see Kajabi communities. So this is a new one, okay, and this is really great. Okay, I'm going to share with you a demo about how I have built my own community using Kajabi. So there is no need to use any community based tool like School, which is launched by Sam Owens, and uh, there are many other tools for building community. But now in Kajabi itself, you can build your community like this. It looks amazing. I'm going to give you demo about this community feature as well. Okay, so first let's understand the products. Okay, so there are multiple products through which you can monetize your content, monetize your knowledge. Number one, courses. Number two, coaching. Okay, one-on-one coaching. Number three is by building a community. Number fourth is podcast. Okay, so let's go to courses. So, say for example, I have a digital product called Digital Networker Academy. That's my course. Okay, so I have three levels: DNA Silver, DNA Gold, and DNA Platinum level. So you can see DNA Silver membership. So this is basically I created a product here, and under the product, I have created multiple modules. Okay, so these are the different modules like product retailing training, YouTube marketing for network marketing, lead generation workshop. So these are three different modules, and under these modules, I have multiple lessons. And under these lessons, I have some downloadable PDF file and different files. Okay, so if I click here as a preview, okay, let's see this as a preview. So in preview you can see DNA Silver membership. So if anybody purchase my course, I actually give access to this DNA Silver membership, and they get access. They can watch lesson like this. So if I click on lesson number 4, play. So this is a video which the person can watch directly from the website. Okay, or else the person can actually, my student can actually access this entire course using Kajabi app. Okay, so let me quickly show you by picking up my mobile phone. Okay, so just see, I have these apps. So I have this Kajabi app, this one Kajabi. Okay, so this is Kajabi app. So this is really this is something which I love because Kajabi is an LMS platform as well, where I can upload some products, digital products, and when I give access to the students, they can actually access the course directly from the mobile app. Okay, there is no need to log in again and again on the browser. They can directly access it from the mobile app itself. Okay, so let's see. So Kajabi has two apps. One is Kajabi, where you can access the courses, and another app is Kajabi Communities. Okay, where you can access the community part. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the demo of community as well. So this is Kajabi app. So in Kajabi app, so you will see the courses like this. Okay, like say for example, I open DNA Gold membership, and in here in DNA Gold membership, I have DNA in English, Hindi, Inner Circle call, and if I click here on Inner Circle call, so these are the meetings. Okay, say for example, I open this one, Q&A. Okay, so you can actually access this entire product on your mobile phone itself, even keeping your uh, this mobile screen off. You can actually listen the audio as well. Okay, so you can upload a course in a form of a audio, in a form of a video, in a form of a document as well, in a like PDF document. Okay, just see. So this is the course which you can access directly from your mobile phone. Okay, so if I click and if I switch it to full screen, so this is in the full screen mode. Okay, so it looks really awesome learning directly through your mobile, because there are many um, people who have complained like they uh, purchase course and then they later on they forget about how to access the course. Where is the login screen? Okay, so simply if you are a Kajabi user, okay, so you can directly access the course from your mobile phone itself. Okay, mobile app, and these are some of the important links and important documents I have mentioned here, and people can directly download it. So this way I can create products in Kajabi. Okay, is this clear? So I have created multiple courses like DNA Silver, Gold, Platinum membership, and this way I just give access to the people who pay for this. Okay, now next is podcast. Let me show you podcast. So if I open this, Okay, so you can see these are my podcast, and which what I do, I just upload my podcast episodes on Kajabi by clicking on add new episode. I just enter episode title, type of the episode, okay, bonus trial trailer. I just select episode, and then I just upload the MP3 file here. Once I upload a particular podcast audio file here, it automatically distribute it to Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and Spotify. So if you go to Spotify, or you can go to dnaclub.in/podcast. Okay, podcasts. So dnaclub.in/podcast. So you can actually see this page where you can directly listen to this podcast episode. Else you can click on any of these links. Like if you have Apple device, you can click on Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, or Spotify. Okay, so if you directly open spotify.com, you can search my name. Okay, if I click on search, you can just search Tarun Agarwal. Okay, and podcast and shows. So you will find my name here. Okay, Tarun Agarwal, and you can see my podcast here. So all these podcast episodes are actually pushed through Kajabi. So I'm not using any podcast platform. Only through Kajabi, these podcasts are pushed to these different platforms. Similarly, if you open Apple Podcast, just search my name, Apple Podcast. Okay, if I open the app, how many of you listen podcast? Just type me. Okay, and just search my name, Tarun Agarwal, and you will find my podcast here. This is my podcast. So you can see 92 episodes. Okay, most of my podcasts are in Hindi language. So these are the podcasts which I actually upload from Kajabi. Is this clear? So, and we will let's come to community next. Community. So what I have done is I am now using Kajabi communities to. Earlier I was using Facebook groups, okay, to keep all my paid students in one place, okay, so that they can interact with each other and they can ask questions, okay, so that we can give them a proper support. But now we have now moved from Facebook group to Kajabi communities, and Kajabi communities also give them access to Kajabi Communities app. Okay, so let's go to community and let me give you a demo about how I use Kajabi communities for my business. As I told you, I'm into network marketing business, and I also have certain. I also have some info products which I sell. Okay, related to network marketing business, like courses related to network marketing. So this is a Kajabi communities. Okay, you can see what I have done is I have created 4 categories of post, which in Kajabi communities they call circles. Okay, so if I click here on circle, like general discussion, okay, under general discussion I can create a new post. I can add a file in a form of a PDF, audio, video, or uh, text file. Okay, then if I just write here hello all, whatever, and then if I click on post, it will be posted. Okay, so if I go down, you can see people are interacting. Okay, people are sending their message. They're posting their questions, their messages, and they're interacting with other people. Okay, what did you learn from video editing training today? And people are replying to this. Okay, and instead of like, here we call it as inspired. Okay, inspired. So you can see people are replying to this post. So just like Facebook, you post it and people will reply, and in a form of a comment. Okay, so like this. So this way you can interact with other community members. Another is I have created a circle called wins. In wins, people actually share their achievements. Okay, so all the achievements are placed in single uh, tab, you can say, or single circle. Okay, next is polls and chats, where we can actually initiate a poll by clicking here, create a poll, and I can create a new poll here. And also there is a DNA support, which means if anybody has any question, okay, we have 1023 members right now. If anybody has any question to ask us, so we tell all our students and all our downlines that, okay, don't message us on WhatsApp, don't send any email. For any question, you can put your question here in DNA support. Okay, so in DNS support, you can see people are asking question, and we are actually replying back. Okay, suppose he asks a question, people are replying back. Okay, so Noman. Okay, so you can see a long message. So through this, we, I mean, we are using Kajabi community as a support system, as a source, so that people can interact with each other. Is this clear? So these are four circles available. Next is challenges. Okay, so what we have done is we have created certain challenge. There is only one challenge right now, which is introduce yourself. If anybody joins the community, they have to accept this challenge, and they have to uh, give their introduction in this format. Okay, upload your photo and share your information following format: current city, name, current city, total experience, and all these things. Okay, so you can see people are replying, people are sharing their photo and also their introduction. Okay, so that's a challenge which they have to accept. So just see, so all the new members in the community, they're introducing themselves like this. Okay, so that's a challenge, and when they complete a particular challenge, they get certain points. Okay, so we have actually gamified the learning experience. So these days people don't want learning experience, people want winning experience. Okay, so what is a gamification here? I'm going to share with you. Just give me a few more minutes. Okay, so that's challenge. And also, if I want to create a new challenge, I can click here, challenge, and whether I want to create a one time challenge or recurring. So let's say one time challenge, and there are some predefined or pre-built challenges which I can directly use, like say for example goal setting, productivity tips. Okay, all these things we can use as a challenge, or else we can create our own challenge also, create our own custom challenge. Okay, clear? So challenges can be used like this. Right now we have added only one challenge, that is introduce yourself. Later on we do weekly meetings, weekly inner circle calls. Maybe next month I'm planning to introduce a challenge like read a particular book and share your learnings in 10 points. So people have to accept it, and then their learnings they have to share. For every learning which they post, they will get certain points. Okay, so like this we can introduce a gamification experience here. Okay, next, let's go to meetups. So all the meetings, inner circle calls, all these meetings we put it here, so that all the community members they get the notification like when is our next inner circle call. Like today is our inner circle call, so they will automatically get notification on this Kajabi communities app. Okay, so that they don't miss it. So meetups, I can add as an admin. I can add a meetup like this. Title of the meetup, location, maybe a Zoom meeting, and then I can upload a file. Okay. Also, I can use live room of Kajabi itself, which means I can directly go live on Kajabi communities. If I click on live room, okay. So if I click here on go live, so like this, okay, I can directly go live on Kajabi, and I can actually record the meeting as well. Correct? So people can directly watch it from the Kajabi community app, and then uh, I can this way I can record it, and this recording will be stored within Kajabi community itself under meetups. Okay, so this is again excellent feature in Kajabi communities. Now apart from that, if I click on feed, so all the posts in different circles will be listed in a single page. Okay, so if I click here on latest activity, so all the latest activities, like whether somebody has posted a new post or maybe somebody has commented on an existing post, so whatever is the latest activity will come at the top. Okay, so like this is the latest one, right? And now if I want to create a new post, I can click here new post, and I can select the feed on which circle I want to post it. Like so for example, I'm posting something which is something related to general discussion, I can select general discussion here. Also I can add file, PDF file, audio file, image, or video. Okay, so this way I can post in communities. So community is really awesome if you want to interact with other community members. And if I click on a particular name of a team member, so I can check out her YouTube channel, her Instagram profile. Okay, right? If I click here on Instagram profile, so I can check out her Instagram profile as well. Okay, so this way we can actually directly message to the other community member as well. Just like Facebook, you can directly message to a person using Facebook Messenger. Here we have within community app itself, we can actually send message to a community member, other community member. Okay. Now, if I see these all are the community members who are part of my paid community, like DNA Club paid community. Okay. Now, interesting thing here is leaderboard. Okay. So leaderboard is basically just see this. Okay. So as I told you, um, vibrant community is when people engage. Okay, when people participate within the community. If people are not participating, community makes no sense. So to push people so that they can engage within the community, there is a point system, which means if anybody completes a challenge, they get 100 point. If your post is inspired, well, somebody has liked your post, okay, you get 1 point. If you send a comment, if you leave a comment on somebody's post, okay, then you get 3 points. When you are inspired by somebody else's post, 1 point. You vote, 1 point. You message, 5 points. So the 1 point. So this way, these are the points which you get for every engagement. And because of this, you can see in my community, everybody is interacting, because you can see the leaderboard as well. If I click on monthly, okay, this month, July 2023, Ashu Sharma is at the top. He has earned 403 points. These are kind of virtual currency, you can say. Okay, 403 points. Then second Amir, then third Madhuri, then Pratik, Alka. You can see their points, and it gives a very good winning experience. Like, the more you engage, the more will be your points. More will be your points. You will be at the top, and it is a great opportunity for you to be visible within the community. Now, if I see, okay, Ashu is at the top, he is he's engaging within the community. He is the most active member in the community. If I click on this person's name, I can actually go to his YouTube channel and I can start interacting with him. I can start observing what kind of business, how is he doing his own business. So it is a great opportunity for you to be visible within the community itself. Okay, and this also push other team members, other community members also to engage within the community, because they also want to earn some points. So this gamification experience brings the element of fun. Okay, this brings the element of engagement and building the momentum. Okay, so this is very, very important. This was not possible in Facebook groups. Okay, so I hope this is clear. And as an admin, I can also send an announcement, and everybody, once they open their Kajabi community app, they can see my announcement at the top. Okay, and if I show you a quick demo about how this looks on mobile app. Okay, so I have a Kajabi communities mobile app, so you can see how it looks on mobile. So I've opened it on my mobile phone. You can see here it is called circles, and you can see 4 circles here, like DNA support. So all the questions related to something which is keeping them stuck, they can put their questions here, and we can see all the comments, and we can also post our comments from here itself. So these are circles. Okay, next I can see challenges directly from the mobile phone. Then I can see feeds in one place, all the messages in one place. Okay, and then I can see all the meetups, when is the next meeting planned. So all the meetups and upcoming, what are the upcoming meetups, you can see from here. Okay, then I've also added some custom pages in a form of resources. Okay, so some important links, meet Tarun partner, top partners, like this. So these are actually pages, custom pages, which I have uploaded, which I've actually set here. Okay, because of this, if suppose there are three pages I have added here. Like, suppose my community members, they want to directly book one-to-one meeting with me, then they have to pay 497 rupees for to book 45 minutes call with me. Else they can uh, else what they can do, they can actually um, attend all our weekly meetings. But if they want my personal time, they have to pay 497. So that page I have added here. Also, if I go to challenges and if I go to this leaderboard, I can see the leaderboard from my mobile phone as well. So from desktop also you can access the community, from mobile phone as well you can access the community. This is all time clear. So it brings element of fun and also keeps the engagement high within the community, and also the community members, they love to open Kajabi communities more than Instagram now. If they have something valuable to share, instead of sharing that on Facebook or Instagram, people prefer to share that on Kajabi communities. Okay, so I hope you got an idea that that was a short demo about the community. So see, in Kajabi, you get access to LMS, you get access to website, you can create unlimited landing pages, you can create your community, highly engaging community, correct? It is very very affordable. If you use many other tools, it will be approx 25, approx 30 to 40, 30 to 50,000 rupees per month, correct? But in Kajabi, all in one place. Podcast as well, correct? Now let's go it. Let's understand the marketing. Okay, under marketing, there's an option called email marketing. So you can send emails. Like if I click here on email campaign, so I can send one email broadcast, or else I can create sequence of emails. So if I click on sequence, I've actually created some sequence of emails based on different forms. Like say for example, if anybody opt into my TLF, my network marketing funnel, so if they opt in for my webinar, they get these emails automatically. Okay, which means instantly they receive this particular email. Day one, they get this email. Day two, day three, day four. So I have already written these emails, and these emails are automatically triggered. Okay, based on their opt-in. Okay, opt-in on a particular form. So which means email automation is also available here. So on day one, I discussed about ConvertKit, but if you're using Kajabi, you can actually, there is no need for you to use ConvertKit then. Okay, this is full-fledged software where ConvertKit is not required, ClickFunnels is not required, Teachable is not required, any website hosting service is not required. You can do everything using Kajabi. Okay. Then some advanced level automation is also available here. You can see so many automation. I have all these automations are working 24/7 for me. Now, say for example, I want to enable an automation that event is uh, when a person is inactive. Suppose when a person is inactive, I mean that person is not opening my email and not actively participating in my emails. Then what to do? Then add a tag, or these are the things which you can do. Unsubscribe that person from email sequence. Okay, revoke access, grant an offer, deactivate from offer. So all these things you can do. Okay, so is this clear? And also you can add additional condition. Okay, so you can, and this is the advanced level automation which you can do, and I am using some of these automations as well. Okay, I'm not going deep. So just see 902 automation uh, events are happening each and every day. 902 automations I have enabled, I have added here. Okay, then let's go to analytics. So in analytics, you can see some interesting options. Though I mean, you can see this figure, but basically, what I'm actually using Razorpay in India. Razorpay, I collect payment through Razorpay or InstaMojo, and then I give access to or access of my course through my Kajabi portal. Okay, so if I click on opt-ins, okay, if I click on opt-ins, so I can actually see day by day. Okay, I have got in last 30 days, I got 1351 opt-ins, everything organic. Okay, I don't run any paid ads, and every day by day also I can see the opt-ins. Okay, like 8th of July we got 61 opt-in, then 7th of July we got 66 opt-in. Okay, yesterday we got 79 opt-ins. So this way I can see day by day how many opt-ins we are getting. Okay, also if I go to analytics, this is very very powerful. I can see page views. Okay, and I can see which page is performing well, which funnel is performing well. So this particular funnel is performing well, which is TLF funnel, then DNA NSQL call, all these things, page views. So I can see page views. Okay, so yesterday we got 1290 page views, different pages, different landing pages. Okay, 1,000 views approx. I mean, whether it is website or landing page or any page which I've redirected to the another page, all these things, all these page views we can see from here. Okay, so again it is very good. More than 1,000 we are getting per day, right? So affiliates, product progress, so we can see all these things from here, right? Also if I click on contacts, okay, I can actually see, right now I have got 23,000 contacts. I can, if I want to create a new contact, I can create from here. And also if I want to give access to a particular product, so what I can do, I can add a new contact from here. Then I can click on grant offer, and these are the products. Okay, if I give offer of platinum annual membership, this way I can grant offer, then I can add a tag and subscribe to email sequence. If I click on save, this person is going to receive an email that you have got access of DNA platinum membership. Okay, so this way I can give access to my students manually, or else you can integrate it with Zapier as well. Though what I do in my case, I give access manually. Okay, this can be done auto mode as well. Okay, got it. So yes, let's pick some questions. If you have any question, you can put questions here. Okay. Yes, Rajendra Singh is asking, can you show any sample automation you have created? Yes, absolutely. So here is the sample automation I have created. Like say for example, if I go to forms, so here is one of the funnel, dnaclub.in slash mini 83. Okay. So dnaclub.in slash mini 83. So this is one of the page which I have created, like how to build your automated multiple income streams in and around network marketing without chasing friends and family members. This is okay. So if anybody opt-ins through this funnel, and you can see this is a page with a form. So this, at the bottom you can see we are asking for name, email ID and WhatsApp number. This is basically a form, and this is the form which I created here. Okay, under forms I created this form mini 83 for Jaideep, okay, one of my affiliate. And once anybody opts to this form, automatically the email notification is sent to Jaideep. Okay, he will receive, maybe he is promoting this particular link using YouTube, maybe using Instagram, or maybe paid ads. So when anybody opts, automatically Jaideep is going to receive an email, like I mean, he is going to receive details of the person who has opted in, his details like name, email ID and WhatsApp number. These three details he is going to receive. Okay. Also, if I see the automation, what I've done is, at the form level, this is a form. At the form level, I have clicked on add automation, and these are the automation sequences or automation options which are available here. Like grant an offer. Once this form is filled, then subscribe to email sequence, register to an event, add a tag, send an email, send a certificate, like this. Okay. So what I've done is, I have, number one, automation, what I've done here is, number one, instantly send an email. When this form is submitted, this form, then send an email to the person with the link of the webinar room. And this is the link of the webinar room. So instantly the person is receiving an email. Clear? Number one. This is number one automation. Number two, once anybody opts to this form, when the form is submitted, then subscribe to this email sequence. This is the email sequence. All these are different email sequences I have written. Okay. Third is, when this form is submitted, this person is automatically tagged with Jaideep's email ID. Okay, Jaideep's email ID. So these are the these are the three automation I've enabled: send instant email, subscribe to email sequence, and then add a tag, so that later on I can uh, check. Okay, if I go to submission, so later on I can see if Tushar, if suppose this person has bought some course or something, so I can see Tushar is brought by which person. So I can see the tag. Okay, Jaideep is tagged with him. Okay. So the options which we are seeing here, the same options we can see from automations as well. Okay. So at the form level, I have enabled the automation, and the same automation is actually displayed here. You can see the same automation which I just discussed. Jaideep 83, Jaideep 83, Jaideep 83. So these are four automation events, okay, which I added at the form level. The same is displayed here in automations under marketing. Okay. It is the same thing. Clear? So there are multiple ways you can enable automation. Like at the form level, you can enable automation. Even if you go to email campaigns and email sequence, you can enable automation from here as well. Suppose you have written some emails. These are the 4 or 5 emails I've written, and I want what should be the trigger. So I can enable the trigger from here as well. Add a trigger. So if I enable a trigger from here, it will be automatically added into automation section. Okay. So this email sequence is written. Okay, we have got 582 subscribers to this email sequence. Now, one trigger is when this particular form is filled, then start sending these emails. Another, if I want another form, so I can click here, add trigger, which form, then when if person is inactive for 7 days, if the form is submitted, if particular email sequence is completed. Suppose you want to first 7 days email sequence is finished, then start this email sequence, then start this email sequence. So this way, these are the different options based on your business scenario you can use. Okay, it may look little technical, but I hope you understand, you all. Okay, prior to using Kajabi, which all tool set you were using, which made you decide to switch to Kajabi? So basically, prior to Kajabi, I was searching for tools for LMS. Okay, so I took a free plan of Teachable. Then I was thinking about how to create a website. Then I tried WordPress and Wix. I tried those. And regarding funnels, okay, I created a free account, 14 days trial account in ClickFunnels. So basically, and also I tried free ConvertKit account as well for email marketing, because sending emails was important. Creating landing pages was important. Having a LMS to sell our digital products was also important. Then having a website, all these things were very important. Okay, podcasts and other things were not important, but again, and communities, again, I was not looking for communities. I was using Facebook group. So when I created free account in all these tools like Teachable, ConvertKit, Wix, okay, and other places, later on I thought like I have to integrate these tools as well. Then I went to Zapier and tried to integrate these tools. It was fine, but then I have to pay extra to Zapier. I have to pay extra for ConvertKit. I have to pay all this. I mean, even ConvertKit will be very costly only for email marketing. So at the same price, if I can get for 10,000 or 25,000 subscribers, if I can get Kajabi for only 16,000 per month. So that's why I later on decided to use Kajabi, and I started paying for Kajabi. Before Kajabi, I was not paying for any tool. I was just exploring these tools, but I never paid for any of those tools because I made the calculation and then I decided for Kajabi later on. Okay, and then I saw there were some great people like if you see Dan Locke. Okay, Dan Locke, he is using Kajabi. Okay, Dan Locke, he uses Kajabi. No, you know Victor Antonio. Okay, he uses Kajabi. Victor Antonio training. You see, he is also using Kajabi. Apart from that, Amy Potterfield. Okay, Amy Potterfield also, she is using Kajabi tool. Amy Potterfield. Okay, and Vanessa Lau. Vanessa Lau, she's also using Kajabi tool. Vanessa Lau. If you open Vanessa Lau, so she's also using Kajabi. Okay, and also if you see people like Graham Cochran is also using Kajabi tool. So world's best coaches, and if I open Eric Worre, okay, so in network marketing, so I was following Eric Worre, he is my mentor, and I saw and I observed that Eric Worre is also using Kajabi. So I enrolled for Eric Worre's this paid coaching, okay, Network Marketing Pro, and he is actually using Kajabi for to host his all courses. Okay, so let me show you. I watched one of the webinar by Eric Worre, and I thought I was very curious to know which tool he is using for hosting his automated webinar and also the courses. You can see here. Okay, you can see here Network Marketing Pro. This is by Eric Worre. This is the course for which I have enrolled, and this entire course is hosted on Kajabi. So I was really impressed with Victor Antonio, with Eric Worre. You can see these all are his courses. Okay, so if I open this is Kajabi app. So I wanted the same experience for my students as well. Hence, I took decision and I went for Kajabi tool later on. Okay, is this clear? So all these great coaches are using it, and I also experienced it. It is It is a great tool. Okay, especially with especially with this new feature called communities. I just love this. I just love this experience. Okay, you must use communities. Okay, you can see my community here. Please give this name just so we can follow on the social media. Simple Dan Locke, okay, Victor Antonio, Eric Worre, Amy Potterfield. Don't follow these people just giving you some name. These are the people who are using Kajabi. Got it? So I hope it is clear. It is a very big tool. It is a very vast tool. But yes, so whatever you can think about your online business, everything is available here. Okay. So I have covered some important features. Okay, but there are many more things. Okay, you can actually integrate Kajabi with PayPal and also with Stripe, and you can collect payments. You can create some offers. You can enable more automation. You can have multiple pricings. Okay, so if I open this, you can see I can collect payments in a multiple pricing slabs. Okay, if I go to pricing, so you can see I can collect payment for one time payment or maybe subscription. So if I want to create a subscription like monthly subscription or weekly subscription, so we can do this like this. Okay, one time payment, multiple payments. So suppose I want to collect payment 7,999 one time, so I can mark it from here. And Stripe and PayPal, fine. Okay, I can create some offer availability as well, limited uh, quantity limit or limit time limit like this. Okay, we can do like this. Also, I can add some coupon codes. Okay, I can enable some coupon codes, one time offer. I can also add people as my affiliates. Okay, so if anybody sell my course, they can actually get some commission. So I can enable some commission setup as well. Like if anybody sells my DNA Gold membership, so I can enable like the person is going to get 20% commission. So this way I can enable the affiliate marketing element as well, if you're using $199 growth plan in Kajabi. Okay, who all are these people I mentioned? So these are actually world's top coaches and consultants, even network marketing and network marketers and affiliate marketers who are using Kajabi tool. Okay, so there are many more tools, many more all-in-one tools available in the market these days. But I, I, through my experience, I'm just telling you this. Okay, there are many other tools, and there will be many other tools. Okay, in future as well. But this is the world's best tool. It gives such a great experience as an admin, as a owner of the community, and also it gives a excellent experience the to your students as well. Especially in my case, as I'm into network marketing business, I wanted a system through which I can duplicate. Okay, so what I have done is I have actually created multiple funnels for my downlines, so that let me show you the funnels list, how I am maintaining it. Okay, so just for your information, keeping the privacy as well. Okay, so you can see I'm maintaining an Excel sheet, and you can see so many funnels I've created. Like say for example, my team member Shubham Rohila. So I have created these funnels for him: by FLP1, MSI1, ECI1, Auto Funnel 1, TLF1. So which means dnaclub.in slash TLF1, dnaclub.in slash ECI1, like dnaclub.in slash ECI1. Okay, so these are the funnels I've created for Shubham. So there is no name available on the page. There is no personal branding. But at the same time, in the back end, I have proper tracking system, like ECI1 is Shubham, ECI2 is Vikram, ECI5 is Chanchal. Okay, ECI65 is Sneha, Autofunnel 57, TLF 57. So these all are the funnels I've created for my downlines, and there is a proper backend tracking system through Kajabi automation. Okay. Clear? I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay, and I really suggest you all to at least try this tool for 30 days. And there is another good news I want to tell to all of you. That is, if you want to try Kajabi for your own business, okay, and you can get access to Kajabi for 30 days absolutely free. And if you get access to Kajabi for 30 days using this link, you can book a free consultation call with me where I can help you to set up Kajabi for your business. Okay, so that's an extra bonus from my side for using my affiliate link. Yes, there is an affiliate marketing angle also, and if you uh, at least try for 30 days, okay, there is nothing to lose. Try this; it is good to learn. Okay, this tool, and take my help as well. After 30 days, if you think this is not good for you, you can stop. I mean, there is no need to pay. There is nothing to lose. Correct. So you can use your credit card with international payment option enabled. uh, it must be Visa card or Mastercard, and you can go ahead and start using this wonderful tool. There's so many things. As a tool expert, you will learn, you will learn so many things when you get access to Kajabi. Also, before we close today's session, also let me share with you some amazing extra things which Kajabi gives to all of us. One thing is Kajabi University, which means you can actually learn about Kajabi, okay, through Kajabi uh, training system. They have their own training system. Okay, how to build a course, how to build a website, how to do affiliate marketing using Kajabi, how to quickly launch your profitable business podcast, how to use communities. Okay, all these things. Similarly, this is Kajabi communities. Another is Kajabi webinars. So regularly Kajabi experts, they do webinars which you can attend. Okay, these are some on demand webinars and some live webinars which are planned in future. So how building your Kajabi site, Q&A, building and launch your funnel, okay, building your website, building your community. So you can watch all these lessons. If I click here, I can actually watch these lessons, and I can improve my knowledge, and further I can use it to build my own business. Okay, I can see from here, right? So these are the on demand trainings, these are the webinars. Similarly, apart from that, as I told you, Kajabi has an affiliate system as well. So if I click on partner.kajabi.com, so you will be happy to see my name, my photo at the top. You can see my photo at the top. Okay, so I am a Kajabi affiliate partner. So if you are a Kajabi paid user, only then you can become Kajabi affiliate partner as well. Okay, so you can see my photo at the top. Besides me, Emmy Potterfield, then here Graham Cochran. Okay, so these are the people with which my photo is also featured on main Kajabi website. Okay, so the only Indian. Okay, so I hope you found this useful. There's so many things, but I just wanted to keep it very simple and easy for you all to understand. So if you need my help to set up Kajabi tool for you, first get access to this free trial, and then you can book a free consultation call with me. Once you get free trial, you will get an automatic email from my site with a Calendly link so that you can book a consultation call with me. Okay, for any kind of question, you can book call with me as well using this link. But I suggest you to first take a trial and then book a call with me using this link, dnaclub.in/book time. Okay, clear? All right, so let's see if you have any question. This was great. What do you plan to cover in next upcoming series? So next, that's a good question. Okay, but next I'm planning to do 3 days or 5 days series related to network marketing on my main channel, that is Tarun Agarwal. Okay, that's my main channel. On Tarun Agarwal channel, on in Hindi language, I'm planning to do 3 days or 5 days workshop related to network marketing. Then again, I will come back to this technical Tarun channel where I have plans to upload some videos, maybe 2 days or 3 days workshop on a particular platform like Kajabi, 5 days workshop only on Kajabi, 2 days workshop only on Webinar Jam, like this. So tool by tool, I will pick up a tool and then I will create certain, divide it into multiple days, and will try my best to give you complete knowledge about that particular tool in future. But right now, my next plan is to um, upload some more valuable content on my main channel Tarun Agarwal, but also on this channel Technical Tarun. I have recorded some tutorials, not like a live event, but I've recorded some tutorials related to ConvertKit. I've recorded around 6-7 tutorials, and then I will upload those tutorials. I mean, I will schedule those in coming days. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and keep on learning these tools. This is important to learn. Okay, because I have learned Kajabi tool, this is basically helping me to stay free. Simple. Okay. It is a time saver for me. It saves my time. Okay. So you know why? Because this tool is available for you as well. But the difference is I know how to use it, you don't know how to use it. Simple. Okay. So it is must for you to learn these tools, right? So you can see so many pages I've created here. Okay. Right. So now, before I close today's session, I want to give you some gifts or some call to actions. If in case you are into network marketing business, say for example you are into network marketing business and you want to build network marketing business online and you want automation. Okay. So you can go to dnaclub.in/autofunnel. That's a link I want you all to go, dnaclub.in/autofunnel, and you can watch my next or this is an automated webinar. You can watch an automated webinar to understand how I build my network marketing business in auto mode. Okay, clear? So this is one link, dnaclub.in/autofunnel, if you are looking for automation in network marketing. Now, if you are not into network marketing, if you're not into network marketing, but you want to explore or you want to work with me, okay, you want to explore uh, my business, irrespective of which country you are into, we have presence in more than 160 countries. So you can book a consultation call with me using this link, dnaclub.in/book time. You can book a free consultation call with me. Okay. And also, if you understand Hindi, then I suggest you to watch this webinar, dnaclub.in/tlf. Okay, TLF. So this is my webinar. You can watch this webinar and you can understand about my business opportunity. And if you think this is useful for you, this is in Hindi. Okay. If this is good for you, you think you must go ahead and work with me as my partner. So you can watch this webinar as well, dnaclub.in/tlf. Okay. So these are some gifts I wanted to give to you. Thank you for attending this 5 days workshop. I really had a great time sharing this amazing knowledge with all of you. I love tools, and I'm very much excited to start another series in future related to tools on this YouTube channel. Okay. So thank you all. For any kind of question, put your question in the comment box and I will reply with my next video. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Check out the links in this video description. Thank you. Bye.